Hello everyone, this video submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement for attending the Syngenta USAID Asia Regional Connection Program 2016 in Vietnam. First of all, I am glad to be here to introduce myself. I am Paramet Kapasert, third year student of Department of Pest Management, Faculty of Natural Resources, Prince of Songkhla University. My university located in southern Thailand, the border area near Malaysia. My place there is an important agricultural area such as rubber plantation, oil palm field, rice field, also commercial center and shopping destination, and am current research as assistant at the Department of Pest Management on entomology and plant pathology. My current activity is training mushroom cultivation, storm mushroom and oyster mushroom to smallholder farmers. I have been working with professors in Faculty of Natural Resources to convince farmers doing sustainable agriculture, rubber plantation, together with other activities. The term of sustainable agriculture is the production of food or other plant or animal products using farming techniques, suitable innovation that protect the environment, public health, human community, and animal welfare. My whole family is from agriculture family. Since I was young, I have seen my parents working on agriculture with passion. What I learned from them is more than beloved career. It's a deep bond. That is why I decided to study agriculture in Faculty of Natural Resources, Prince of Songkhla University. I am interested in agriculture and economics because it related to quality of life. People are get healthy from food safety, live better, earn enough income, and be happy. Up to 80% of Thai people are farmers. In agricultural section, why are they still poor? There is several ways to reduce poverty of agriculture farmers. In my opinion, Thai farmers are familiar with conventional farming system, which include the use of heavy irrigation, overuse of synthetic chemical fertilizer, pesticides, herbicides, and other frequent input. This is a reason why high cost of production that farmers could not control. So if we can have a green technology and innovation to help farmers and solve this problem, it would be great. There are 6 different crops for agriculture in my university. Crop production is one of my favorite courses. I have studied about crop production, horticultural crop, and agronomy crop. In addition, I have learned post-harvest technology including cooling, cleaning, sorting, and packing. This course aims to improving product quality, safety, and marketability of crop products. I'm going to answer the question, how to improve smallholder farming in Asia. Actually, helping farmers and promote agriculture are my goal. My answer is good collaboration in Asia could be encouraged each other. Right now, I am a student in the university. I can help smallholder farming in my country by taking all of my efficiency to help. For example, my current activity in mushroom cultivation training. In the meantime, I should have international connection, collaboration at least within Southeast Asia to exchange technology, innovation, support and promote our products to international market. I believe that enrich the present, enhance the future for sure. If I could participate Syngenta USAID Asia Regional Connection Program 2016, it could be helpful my dream. I am willing to learn new technology of Syngenta in order to reduce cost of production and save fuel, save time, equipment usage and labor. Also, I would like to know how to handle with environmental management for plant and marketing system of Syngenta Thailand. As I have said, if I could participate in Syngenta USAID Asia Regional Connection Program 2016, I could have connection, getting the opportunity to open my vision and transfer proper information, the new technology and innovation to my country. Hopefully, those could support ASEAN smallholder farmers and myself to be smart farmers in near future. For watching and hope to see you in Syngenta USAID Asia Regional Connection Program 2016 in Vietnam soon. Goodbye.